Hey guys, this is the unique off-road products door latch kit. You're going to get a latch for each side. Basically, it's really a quality piece. Make sure I got this in the camera here. Yep. So all you have to do is drill one hole, and they give you a template, a metal template here that you're going to bolt in to drill this hole, which I've already done. You're also going to remove your inner door panel, not completely, but there's 1, 2, and then I think 2 push pins that you have to remove. And then I just took a piece of foam in here to separate the door a little bit. So once you drill, and they also provide a hex wrench. So now that I've drilled my hole, and this template will work on both sides. Okay, so there's a template, and you just flip it over for the passenger side. You're going to need a 1/4 inch drill bit, and when you drill this hole, you're going to drill it. There's a metal frame here, so you're drilling through the plastic and the metal. And obviously you want to use some painter's tape to protect that. So once you have your hole drilled, you feed this up through the hole. All right, and it fits really nice and tight, so I wouldn't worry about dirt. Put your threaded ball on. All right, and then you have a 10mm lock nut, and then a hex head bolt. This lever is going to go on the inside of the latch. Yamaha has an extra hole, an extra hinge here, so this can be used on both sides. And thankfully, we can reuse that for this latch. So I'm going to feed this bolt through. Put the lock nut on the inside. Okay. I'm going to get my 10mm wrench to hold it on the back side. And your toolkit has one for you 21 owners. And obviously you don't want to put this all the way tight. It's a lock nut, so you want to leave enough slack. I'll loosen it up just a little bit. It's not too tight. There we go. And if you want to, lube this afterwards, you can. Let me just take this out. I'm going to have to stop the camera and get these cords out of my way so I can pull the back together. Okay, so I had to throw some Tink Seal on the hinge points and in the hole where this goes. So now it returns pretty good. Nice, simple mod by Unique Off-Road Products.